Hello and welcome to another edition of Autocar India Quick News, your weekly roundup of everything new in the automotive industry. We start this week's news with the Renault Triber facelift that has been launched at a price of 6.3 lakh rupees. The new Triber is priced between 6.3 lakh and 9.17 lakh rupees, translating to a variant-wise price hike of 14,000 to 41,000 rupees. Design updates feature reprofiled headlamps, LED DRLs, a slimmer gloss black grille, and a large air intake. It also debuts Renault India's new retro-style diamond logo previously seen on their global SUVs. Other changes include revised fog lamps, new 15-inch flex wheels, gloss black door handles, and a blacked-out rear trim with smoked LED tail lamps. The Triber badge shifts lower while alloy wheels remain an optional extra for 9,990 rupees. Inside it gets black and grey upholstery, improved driver display, and a Kiger SUV-like dashboard. New trim pieces have also been added, and the AC vents as well as the 8-inch touchscreen have been repositioned. Features such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a wireless charger, push-button start-stop, and second and third row vents continue to be on offer in the 7-seat MPV. The powertrain also remains unchanged, and the new Triber continues to feature the 1-litre 3-cylinder naturally aspirated petrol engine, making 72 horsepower and 96 Nm, mated to a 5-seat manual gearbox. The AMT option is exclusive to the top variant. The MG M9 has been launched in India with prices starting at 69.9 lakh rupees. MG is selling the M9 exclusively via its MG Select Premium Retail Network in a single fully loaded trim level. It is also the first all-electric luxury MPV to launch in India. Being an MPV, the M9 sports boxy proportions, but its styling flourishes are sleek and futuristic. The M9 gets sharp connected LED headlamps and tail lamps, 19-inch alloy wheels, and lots of chrome trim around the body to accentuate its premium trappings. Up front, the layout is rather simple with a 12.23-inch infotainment touchscreen, a 7-inch digital driver's display, a 2-spoke steering wheel, and a floating center console. Things get more lounge-like in M9's second row thanks to a pair of reclinable captain chairs with deployable ottomans. Boot space in the M9 stands at 945 litres, which can be expanded to a cavernous 1720 litres with the third row folded down. Moreover, the M9 has a 55-litre frunk as well. MG has equipped the India spec M9 with a host of premium features including dual sunroofs, powered seats with massage and ventilation, JBL sound system, wireless charging, rear entertainment screens, and connected car tech. Safety is top-notch with 7 airbags, level 2 ADAS, ESP, 360-degree camera, and TPMS. While Bharat NCAP testing is pending, the M9 boasts a 5-star safety rating from Euro NCAP and Australian NCAP, making it a well-rounded luxury MPV at this point. Underneath the boxy exterior of the M9 lies a 90 kWh nickel manganese cobalt battery pack powering a single front-mounted electric motor. Developing 245 horsepower and 350 Nm, the M9 also gets 3 drive modes between normal, eco and sport. In terms of range, the M9 has an MIDC certified range of up to 548 km. Charging options comprise of a 160 kW DC fast charger, which can juice the M9's battery from 0 to 100% in just 90 minutes, and 11 kW AC charger that can achieve the same in 10 hours. From a big MG to a small one, the MG Cyberster electric sports car has also been launched at 74.99 lakh rupees. But the price for those who had pre-reserved the car is 72.49 lakh rupees. Like the M9, it will also be sold only through MG's select dealerships. The Cyberster comes equipped with a 77 kWh battery pack wired to dual motors, one for each axle, routing 510 horsepower and 725 Nm through all 4 wheels. MG claims that the Cyberster can sprint from 0 to 100 kph in just 3.2 seconds, and it has an MIDC certified range of 580 km. The Cyberster features a low-slung roadster look with a classic long bonnet and short rear proportions, swoopy LED headlights, arrow-shaped tail lamps with full LED strip above them, 20-inch alloy wheels, silver roll hoops, a smile-shaped fascia, a folding soft top, and of course, scissor doors. Inside the Cyberster is a driver-focused affair with a trio of curved screens atop the dash, a 10.25-inch driver display right in front of the 3-spoke flat-bottom steering wheel, flanked by 2 7-inch screens. Interestingly, there is a 7-inch touchscreen right next to the drive selector on the angled center console, which features a grab handle on the passenger side. The Cyberster is unique, and it's the only electric convertible available in India and therefore does not have any direct competition in the market. There are ICE-powered convertibles like the BMW Z4 with 340 horsepower and Mercedes-Benz CLE Cabriolet with 258 horsepower. The Nissan Magnite has secured a 5-star global NCAP crash test rating. They first tested the pre-facelift model produced before October 2024 and it scored 2 stars each for adult and child occupancy. The Magnite was equipped with just 2 airbags, did not get ESC and ISOFIX anchors as standard, and did not meet pedestrian protection norms either. Next, Global NCAP tested the Magnite facelift that had been on sale in India since October 2024. This model comes with 6 airbags, ESC and ISOFIX mounts as standard, and meets pedestrian norms as well. The Magnite facelift secured a 4-star adult occupant rating with a score of 26.51 out of 34 points. However, Nissan was not satisfied with the 4-star rating and is said to have further improved the Magnite, submitting it for another voluntary test. While the exact upgrades have not been mentioned, the facelifted Magnite was sent for another round of tests where it secured a 5-star rating. This version of the Magnite got 32.31 out of 34 points in adult occupancy protection, as the compact SUV managed to achieve 15.3 over 16 points in the frontal offset deformable barrier test. Protection for the driver and front passenger were rated good to adequate, helping it achieve the 5-star rating. The other scores, the side movable deformable barrier, side pole impact tests, are identical to the previously tested Magnite. However, the child occupancy rating interestingly dropped to 3 stars with dynamic, CSR and vehicle assessment scores of 15.6 out of 24, 12 out of 12 and 6 out of 13 respectively. This was because of protection of the 3-year-old dummy's head was rated to be poor. And now onto the world of two-wheelers. Hero MotoCorp has launched the HF Delux Pro, a new variant that sits on top of the HF range in the Hero's commuter portfolio, priced at 73,550 rupees. The HF Delux Pro gets a notable feature bump, including a segment-first LED headlamp with a crown-shaped daytime running lamp, a new digital speedometer with a low fuel indicator, and refreshed body graphics. The Pro also comes equipped with Hero's i3S Top Start tech. Powering the HF Delux Pro is the same 97.2cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine, producing 7.9 horsepower at 8,000 rpm and 8 Nm at 6,000 rpm, mated to a 4-speed gearbox. Good news for Marvel fans, as TVS has launched a new Super Soldier edition of its popular NTorq 125, inspired by Marvel's Captain America. This variant is part of the Super Squad range, which features special editions themed around the Marvel superheroes. It is priced at 98,117 rupees, which is the ex-showroom Delhi price. The NTorq Super Squad series also includes models themed around other Marvel characters such as Iron Man, Thor and Spider-Man. Mechanically, the scooter remains unchanged and it continues to be powered by the same 124.8cc air-cooled engine that produces 9.5 horsepower and 10.5 Nm and retains features like Bluetooth connectivity, full digital display and sporty styling that the NTorq is known for. So if you're a Marvel fan and in the market for a scooter, you might want to check it out. And that's a wrap for this week's quick news. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update.